Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and as we know guys that there is no voice changer on Discord. So if you want to change our voice on Discord, we need to download an application to help us change our voice. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user, and then you can search for voice changer application. You can type in voice changer like this, and there will be some applications you can use, but I recommend you to choose this application. Okay, you just need to install this application on your mobile phone, and as you can see guys that I have installed this application, so I just need to open it. Okay, and here guys you can record your voice by clicking on this option, or you can use text to audio, or you can upload your file to this application and then apply voice changer to your audio or voice. And I'm just going to choose this one guys because I have recorded my voice. But wait, it's still loading. There is an ad. I'm just going to go, wait. We just need to wait for this ad. Okay, and I'm going to add audio from my device. For example guys, I'm going to apply voice changer to this audio. Okay, before I apply a voice changer, I'm going to show you the original audio. Okay, and I'm going to apply voice changer. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the alien sound. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one guys, and I'm going to save the audio. Alright, and now the audio has been saved, and I'm going to share it to my Discord friend. You can go to the Discord, and then you can choose friend you want to share this voice with voice changer to. Alright, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change our voice on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.